Right guys, we finally got the keys to our new house. Okay, now here comes the hard part, renovating it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in a new kitchen. So we're going to need to take out this cupboard here, this wall here. We're going to take out this cupboard here, and then, excuse the big frozen castles, the kids. We're going to fill this door here, and then we're going to put a new entrance door behind here basically. So we take all this out and flatten it right off here. So we'll take this cupboard out as well. And this will all go part of the kitchen, the wall, and the new door will go right about here. Okay, so you can see we have got the wall out finally. We removed the old oil boiler, which we're going to have a new one that will be put outside. I'm just leveling off the floor. There's quite a few holes. For some reason down here there's a little bit left. I've just got to cement in. And then we can start with the stud work, building a new wall and the door frame just there. And then we can lift up the tiles and put a new kitchen in. As you can see, it's quite a mess at the moment, but just got to get all these water pipes. All these are not being used, but the one is the main water to the bathroom, which needs to be moved. So we'll move that one and tidy it up and stuff. Yeah, looking good, getting there. Right, timber frames up, door frames in, gonna plasterboard it, hang the door up, and then that's done. Okay guys, this is the finished project of the wall. It's been a few weeks later. I've put the kitchen cupboard in, the walls in, plastered, doors in, door frames in, some little finishing bits I'm going to put on here, and the architrave around this side here, and then finish off the top. But I'm going to overboard the Arctex ceiling here. We've got a new radiator in. So yeah, let's get in there looking good.